Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, high-protein, low-fat, super healthy, egg-free, scrambled eggs. Made with chickpeas, but tastes like the real thing. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, a can of chickpeas. Drain, rinse, and throw them into a blender. Along with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, some spices, and 3/4 cups of water. Then blend it until smooth. Spoon it into a hot pan. And just let it sit, stir, lift, and fold like eggs. Now enjoy your super tasty and super healthy scrambled chickpea eggs. Thanks for watching.